You are sure to have encountered some bugs or technical problems with various types of software. So how do you solve these problems, or effectively describe your issues to the product's technical team? Hi, it's Josh from Wondershare DemoCreator, and today I'm going to share with you some useful tips for troubleshooting software. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the latest tips and tricks for video creation. Your non-profit or library relies on software to get its work done, and unexpected software crashes and error messages can bring your work to a standstill. When this happens, it's tempting to call tech support immediately. It is best to present a comprehensive description of your problem so that the technical team can better solve your problem. And at this point, video is a fantastic and effective way for trouble description, making your issues clear and get them to be solved as fast as possible. Next, let me show you how to make an error demonstration video or a troubleshooting video for both users and the software technical team using Wondershare DemoCreator. And if you're new to Wondershare DemoCreator, here's a download link down in the description below. Videos can be used for a variety of different goals and can save a lot of precious time. If you're a software user, you can record an error screen video with sound to describe the issues. And if you're an IT professional, you can craft a troubleshooting video for users. Next, let me show you how to make a troubleshooting video or a trouble-telling video in Wondershare DemoCreator. Wondershare DemoCreator is a computer program that integrates screen recording, webcam recording, sound recording, and video editing to meet your different video needs. Now, let me show you in detail. After opening the Wondershare DemoCreator program, you can click the New Recording button to start your screen recording. You can record your software screen, show how the issues happened and how the software works, etc. Then a pop-up window will appear. By default, DemoCreator will record a middle-sized screen. To customize your recording area, you just need to drag the border to adjust the size of the region. With this way, you'll be able to make precise adjustments to your region size. In order to keep a high-quality recording, you can go to the Settings tab and choose a 120 FPS recording. What's more, you can also connect with a microphone to ensure better audio. Except for the software and the system, you can say some things that the technical team should know. Things like how the issues came about, for example. After that, you can go to your system screen and click the red round recording button to start recording. Now, during recording, on a Mac, you can hit Shift Command 2 to stop recording, or click Option Command 2 to pause and resume. And on Windows PC, you can click F10 to stop recording, or hit the F1 to pause or resume. And after the recording is finished, the screen and audio will be present directly in the DemoCreator video editor. You can edit it as you like, such as adding some captions or annotations, and then you can export it and share it. Super easy to use. Similarly, if you're a technologist, you can use the above method to record a troubleshooting video for your users with DemoCreator. Okay, so here is a detailed guide about how to make a troubleshooting video in Wondershare DemoCreator. However, if you faced a software issue, then there are basic steps that you can take to solve software problems on your own before you make the call, or at least narrow down their causes. The next time you have a software problem, try these troubleshooting tips in the order they are listed below. Try these troubleshooting tips in the order that they're listed. Carefully document the steps you take. That way, if a tech support call becomes necessary, at least you'll have a good idea of what isn't causing the problem. Number 1. Free up RAM by closing other open programs. Every piece of software uses random access memory, RAM. The more software that's running on your computer, the more RAM it uses. This can be especially problematic if you're using older machines that don't have a lot of RAM. So if a software program refuses to load or is running slowly, the first thing to do is to close all other open applications. If you want to find out which open applications might be hogging your RAM, both Windows and Mac operating systems have tools to display this information. In Windows, just hit Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then choose the Start Task Manager option. From the window that appears, click the Processes tab. Then click the Memory menu item. This sorts all processes based on the amount of RAM they're using. You can shut down a runaway process by clicking the End Process button. Before you do that, you might want to do a bit of research on the process to ensure that you don't accidentally stop a critical process or plugin. In Mac OS X, use the Activity Monitor, called the Process Viewer in older versions of OS X. Access the activity monitor by going to Applications, Utilities. Once you've called up the activity monitor, sort programs based on RAM usage by clicking the column labeled Real Memory. Number 2, restart the software. Software problems can stem from a conflict with other programs or simply from difficulties the software encountered when starting up. Shutting the program down and restarting it can sometimes resolve these issues. Number 3, shut down and restart your computer. If restarting the problematic program doesn't resolve the issue, try rebooting your computer. Once the computer has fully restarted, relaunch the application in question and see if the problem has been resolved. And number 4, use the internet to find help. No matter what software problems you encounter, chances are it's happened to someone else. So there's a good chance that you can find help on the internet. Here's a few places to get started. Search for answers. In your search engine query, include the software program name and version, the problem you encountered, and the circumstances under which the problem occurred. If you received a specific error message, enter the exact error message text along with the name of the application. Check the vendor's website. Most software vendors provide some form of product help, such as answers to frequently asked questions, product documentation, or user discussion forums. Undo any recent hardware or software changes. Changes to software and hardware can sometimes cause software problems, such as conflicts with other software. Newly installed software may conflict with other software. For example, Norton Antivirus can conflict with competing antivirus products. So if you recently installed another antivirus program and Norton Antivirus no longer works correctly, then uninstalling the other antivirus product could solve your problem. Changes to computer settings. Undo any recent changes to your computer settings and try launching the software again. For example, the Windows control panel includes an option to set program access and defaults, which allows you to disable access to certain applications. If you accidentally disable access to a program here, the program may not run. Conflicts with a new or improperly configured hardware, such as scanners and printers. If you've recently connected new hardware to one of your computers, try disconnecting the hardware and see if that corrects the software issue. Number 6, uninstall the software, then reinstall it. Sometimes software problems occur because critical application files have been removed, updated, or deleted. For example, many Windows applications use Dynamic Link Library, DLL, or DLL files to perform basic tasks. Often, several applications will use the same DLL file. If you've recently removed one program from your computer, it's possible you removed DLL files that another program relied on. Similarly, adding a program could add or update DLL files. Applications that were dependent on those DLL files may become unstable or stop working entirely. To ensure that all the necessary files are intact, you can completely uninstall the problematic software, then reinstall it. Even if you remove a program using its built-in uninstall wizard, if it includes one, it's still a good idea to check your hard drive's program files folder, usually located on the C drive, for any remnants of the program, and delete any files or folders that you find. Before reinstalling, check to see if there's a new version of the program available. The vendor or developer might have introduced bug fixes that address the issue that you're having. If the tips we just went through haven't solved your software problem, it might be time to call tech support. At minimum, you'll be able to help them narrow down the problem by describing the troubleshooting steps that you've already taken on your own. At this point, try to use Wondershare DemoCreator to capture your issue screen and send it to the tech team. Hey, if you found this video useful, do click the like button and leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.